In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code for a YouTube video. So first, go onto the YouTube app and go ahead and find a video. So for me, I'm just going to go to my channel. We're going to click on View Channel, and I'm going to find a video. Now, once you've found the video, you want to click on the three dots next to it, and then click on Share. Once you click on Share, you can then click on Copy Link. This will copy a link to that direct YouTube video. Now from here, we can open up a web browser. Once you're on a web browser, go to Google and then type in QR code generator, and you can use any of these websites. I'm going to use this one, www.online-qr-generator.com. Click on one of these. It's going to ask you to enter in your website, so click on website. Then paste in the YouTube link that you just copied. And then you can scroll down here and then click on next. Once you've done that, we're going to keep the default QR. So we're not going to add any pattern, corners, or logo. We're going to click create. So now we need to create a free account so we can enter in our email or continue with Google. So here is our QR code. We can now go ahead and screenshot this. And then we can just go ahead and crop out everything else out of the screenshot. Save to photos. And now we've got this QR code saved to our photos. We can add it to any designs or get our friends to scan this QR code and it will go straight to a video.